Airbags are safety devices installed in vehicles to reduce the risk of injury during a collision. They work in conjunction with seat belts to provide an additional layer of protection for occupants in the event of a crash. An airbag deployment is a carefully controlled explosion. They open at over 200 miles per hour, faster than a car can crash. The rapidly inflating airbag provides a cushioning barrier between the vehicle's occupants and the hard surfaces of the interior, such as the steering wheel, dashboard, or side door panels. This cushioning helps to reduce the risk of injury by absorbing some of the kinetic energy generated during the collision. Once deployed, the airbag starts to deflate immediately to allow the occupant to exit the vehicle safely. This deflation is designed to occur quickly to avoid obstructing the occupant's movement. The front airbags come out from the dashboard, steering wheel, or alternate placements, cushioning the impact and helping reduce the damage to your body. There can be up to 9 airbags mounted throughout the car to protect you from side impact and rollover events. Check your owner's manual to learn where they are located. Airbags are considered supplementary, and seatbelts are primary safety equipment. Airbags can deploy with considerable force, and improper positioning, not wearing a seatbelt, or sitting too close to the steering wheel or dashboard can lead to injury during airbag deployment. The proper distance from the steering wheel airbag should be 10 to 12 inches and facing your chest. Several studies found that airbags reduced fatalities by 23 to 24% in head-on crashes and 16% in crashes of all kinds, compared to cars fitted only with manual safety belts. Airbags have been a significant advancement in automotive safety and have saved many lives since their introduction in the late 20th century. However, the supplemental airbag system's effectiveness depends on proper usage and maintenance. Ensure that the system is inspected and serviced immediately should you notice the airbag warning light.